Hello everyone, this is Amanda with Martin Yale Industries. I'm here today with Samantha and we are going to show you our brand new antibacterial laminating pouches. We're very excited about this, obviously, just because of the changing world and everything that's going on. These pouches reduce the spread of infection on laminated materials. They're among the first of their kind, and they are a necessity now more than ever. With hygiene and sanitation becoming increasingly important in high-traffic industries such as schools, hospitals, and restaurants, these pouches offer clients an easy way to ensure efficient sanitation. These have an antibacterial coating, which reduces the growth of bacteria by up to 99.9%. Regular use of these antibacterial pouches for frequently handled materials can help reduce the spread of infectious bacteria. These particular pouches are going to come in packs of 100, and they are 3 ml. They're going to be available in letter, legal, and ledger sizes. Estimated release date on these, since they are brand new, we're not really expecting to have any of them until probably around December. They do have a shelf life of approximately 2 years, and the coating will last from about 2,500 to 3,000 times of wiping with a non-woven cloth with no cleaner. Cleaning with any kind of cleaner or alcohol is going to decrease the product life on this because it will take the coating off of the pouches. Like I said, these are 3 ml thick, and they are a gloss finish. We do not have them available in matte. It is all gloss. If you can see the shine on there. They are very, very clear. So once you get them laminated through, your colors are going to show through great. No bleeding or anything like that. They do have a really, really nice shine to them. That's really all there is to that. Does anybody have any questions? Right, looks like we've got some new people coming in. Hello, everybody that just came in. We're actually going to run this. It was a pretty quick, short little demo. So we're going to run through a few more sheets here for the people that just came in. I'm going to go through my spiel again in case everybody didn't get it the first time. This is our new, Drylam's new antibacterial laminating pouches. They are becoming more and more important in high traffic industries, schools, hospitals, restaurants. These pouches offer clients an easy way to ensure efficient sanitation. They have an antibacterial coating. I do have what's in it, but I cannot pronounce these particular items. It is just this pretty standard stuff, isopropyl alcohol, water, and a couple of other things that I cannot pronounce right now. These reduce the growth of bacteria by 99.9%, and they are great for frequently handled materials and reduces the spread of infectious bacteria. They are available in 100 packs of letter, legal, or ledger sizes, and we're expecting to have them around December 1st or in the beginning of December. They do have a shelf life of about 2 years. The coating will last about 2,500 to 3,000 times of wiping with a non-woven cloth without cleaner. Cleaning these with any kind of cleaner or alcohol is going to decrease the product life. It is going to, that will take the coating off. These are 3 ml gloss. We do not have them available in matte. Samantha ran a couple more through there. As you can see, they are very clear. And they're going to, from what we found, they hold up very well. We've not had any problems with them. They hold up just like any other 3 ml film does. And we've wiped them off quite a bit. Any other questions?
Hi, I have a question. Do you guys have MSDS sheets on this?
We do.
Okay.
If you want to send us an email, info@martinyale.com,
Okay.
and just ask for that MSDS, we can get it emailed to you.
And what was it? It was info?
Info, yep, INFO.
Perfect.
All right, and if anybody else has any questions, you can always reach us at that email address, info@martinyale.com. You can visit our website, www.martinyale.com, or you can reach us by phone, 800-225-5644. Hope everybody has a good day.